You're right there. My name's Brian Joe. Please like and subscribe. Today I'm showing you a bad case of mould and damp in an office building here. We found the source of the problem. It was a block pipe just outside this window here to the left. We unblocked it and then we went to work on it. So what we first did, we cleaned off all the mould, sugar, soap and bleach, worked a treat, got rid of it all. Then what we did was scraped off all the flaky paint, and then we just give it a mix up some polyfiller, went over all the cracks. That window bit there was particularly quite nasty, and bits underneath the window ledge, and then down here by the skirting, which is quite destroyed by the mould and damp. Bits of the wall around here got a bit fluffy and fuzzy, just brickwork getting down. I think it was getting nearly dankered. So we just polyfilled it all around, made it look nice. Then after we sanded it down, some bits needed polyfilling double twice again by the window, and then what we did was we give it a just normal primer, went all over the walls with it, so we give it a nice little bit of whiteness after. But after, we needed to use some cover stain where the damp and that mould originally was. So what we used here was the Zinza cover stain, which I'm going to show you just now. So it's this one here, the yellow one.
This is the
it kind of leaves a bit of a yellowy colour after, and it has a very strong smell. So use another primer after you put this one on. And like I said, probably give it 24 hours if you have someone in the room after it. But after, it comes up a treat. Put 2 coats of matte after, white, and brilliant white, and come out lovely. To be honest with you, I'm really happy with it. So yeah, give that a go after. Like I said, that cover stain is really good. I'd advise using that stuff all the time. It is expensive and it doesn't go far, so use it sparingly. So yeah,